Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Living life like a beginning, this is only the beginning.
Hi guys. My name is Lacostawhitehead and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys, I am going to continue on with the foolery, okay? And what do I mean by foolery? We are going to be using some products from Kenya Moore. Yes, the infamous Twirl. Is it Twirl? I think it is Twirl. I think it is Twirl. But anywho, we're going to be using some products from Kenya Moore. And if you want to see what products I have, then just keep watching. Okay. So first we're going to go in with the Grow Repair Shampoo. Exclusive growth formula restores and repairs to help grow hair longer in one use. Secondly, we're going to go in with the conditioner. Adds shine, stimulates hair growth, hydrates, and moisturizes damaged hair. And then lastly, we have the mask for longer, stronger, thicker hair and 96% less breakage in just one use. Alright, you guys, so of course you can see that we are starting off this wash day with rinsing my hair before we go in with the shampoo. No sulfates, phosphates, or no parabens, color safe, moisturizes natural styles, and restores hair extensions for all hair types. As you can see, it lathered up pretty good. I washed my hair once. I normally wash my hair twice, but I was out of my element for this wash day. We was at the sink and I was not thinking, but I just washed my hair once for this wash day. Basically the directions state apply to wet hair and gently massage into scalp. Repeat as needed. Avoid eyes. And I don't really have any cons, about this shampoo. It did exactly what it said it was going to do. So, yeah. Kenya Moore Hair Care Repair and Growth Conditioner features an innovative hydrating formula for hair that has been damaged and weakened by excessive heat styling, color, or chemical processing, gently detangling, and highly reparative. It infuses hair with growth components such as rich antioxidants, argan oil, bamboo water, reconstructive keratin, and fatty acids. Hair is instantly softened, healthier, stronger, and more manageable inside and out, allowing it to grow in just one use. Directions: apply to clean, damp hair, massage thoroughly, leave in 7 to 10 minutes, rinse well, and style. For best results, apply after using Kenya Moore Hair Care Shampoo. So as you can see, I am detangling my hair, and the slip factor is pretty much not there. There is no slip to these products. I can't really give you a honest if it helped to detangle my hair because my hair was already detangled prior to using these products. I did pre-poo, but as far as the moisture, and replenishing factor, I think that these products did perform well. So yeah, I don't have any bad things to say about that. And right here, I decided to get my dance on for 7 to 10 minutes while this conditioner, does whatever it is going to do right now. So, yeah, whoop, 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 whoop. In with the Restorative Growth Mask. Over 90% naturally derived with argan, amla, and mannoid oils infused with rich antioxidant vitamins and silk protein. I love me a good product with silk protein in it. Okay. Shampooing, apply a generous amount to towel-dried hair and comb through. Allow product to absorb for 10 minutes. Use no more than once a week and less often as hair's texture and elasticity improves. Follow with Kenya Moore Hair Care Conditioner. For best results, use Kenya Moore Hair Care Oil Repair Treatment and Shampoo. I did not buy the oil treatment. I just wanted to use the wash day products. This product is also very, very, very thick. So the slip factor was pretty much non-existent. It was none. But I really did enjoy the deep conditioner, and you know, I think the fact that I did pre-poo really helped with this wash day. So with that being said, if you want to use this product, make sure that you pre-poo before, because you will not be detangling with this stuff. Okay? Okay. And right here you can see that the deep conditioner has penetrated into my hair. My hair was feeling so good. It was moisturized, and I was so shocked. Okay? Okay. All right, guys. So I'm back. I'm back, and I am back. Okay? Okay. So this is what my hair looks like, all rinsed out, you guys. And I am pleasantly surprised. I was not expecting my hair to feel so good. My hair feels so good, you guys. It feels moisturized. Not one time during this process did I feel like my hair was stripped or dry or none of that. Of course, I did pre-poo before I did my wash day today. Of course, I did pre-poo because, you know, I touched these products and I knew they didn't have the slip that I needed to detangle my hair. So let's get into the first product. So first I went in with the shampoo, you guys. I went in with this shampoo, and when I rinsed it out, my hair felt clean, but it didn't feel stripped. So that is a plus in my book. Okay, that is a plus in my book. I mean, I don't know what else you can say about a shampoo, but so this system is a growth repair system. So it's supposed to grow your hair. They are geared towards strengthening your hair. And this is another line that is geared towards strengthening your hair. But I don't feel like my hair was stripped or hard or, you know, all those things that come with some systems like that. So she did a pretty good job with this shampoo. But like I said, what I repurchased, I don't know. I need to see. Because like I said, shampoo is a shampoo is a shampoo. I just pretty much did this for shits and giggles for the most part. So yeah. The conditioner. This conditioner is fairly thick. It is thick. I was able to comb through my hair, but like I said, it would not help me if I needed to detangle my hair. It was thick. It told me to leave it in for 7 to 10 minutes. I did exactly that. My hair did feel moisturized. So, it says add shine, stimulate hair growth, hydrates and moisturize damaged hair. Of course, I have colored hair. I do feel like it hydrated and moisturized my hair. So it did what it said it was going to do. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Okay. Okay. And lastly, I went in with the deep conditioner. This is thick too. It is thick. I didn't use a lot. You know, for the conditioner and the deep conditioner, the slip is just pretty much non-existent. But how thick the products was and stuff, I kind of figured that. And even when I put them on my, you know, my hands, I could tell that there wasn't going to be any slip. But this states for longer, stronger, thicker hair and 96% less breakage in just one use. It reconstructs and restores weakened or damaged hair. I mean, adds shine, manageability, and increases elasticity. For the most part, I mean, I feel like they did what they were supposed to do. They didn't dry my hair out. My hair don't feel like, you know, it has some unknown substance in it. My hair absorbed these products. So for the whole line, I give the whole line a thumbs up, which was not expected to me. I thought that this was going to be another line that I was not that I was going to have to return back to Sally's, to be honest. But I'm pleasantly surprised, and I can say, you know, she did pretty good with these products. Even though they clowned her on the TV show, she did pretty good with these products. So I don't think there's nothing that you need to run out and get today, tomorrow. You know, if you just come across it, you got a few extra coins in your pocket and you want to give it a try, I say give it a try if you want to give it a try. Okay? Okay. All right, you guys. So if you have not done so, hit that subscribe button down below. Down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Okay. Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. Leave me some comments below. Leave me some comments below. Have you ever tried this line? Do you plan on trying this line? What do you think about it? Leave me some comments below. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later. Peace out.